Welcome back to the Bunkies YouTube channel. My name is John, and I like to talk about home assistant, home surveillance, tech, and everything in between. Right now you're looking at my home assistant dashboard. Just started getting into it, and I absolutely love it. I'm completely hooked. And now I want to bring everything out of its own ecosystem and bring it into this one. In a recent update, the fine folks at Home Assistant added a coronavirus tracker, and I'm going to show you how to quickly add it to your dashboard. If you go to home-assistant.io and you go to integrations, you'll see coronavirus or the COVID-19, and it talks about it right here. They're basically sourcing the data from John Hopkins, which also has an excellent map on tracking where it is. And it's basically everywhere at this point. I have the map here. Let me refresh. So the date is March 10th, 2020. You can read down here whether they're getting their data, the CDC, the WHO, the ECDC, NHC, and DXY. Not sure what all those are. That's where they're getting their data. Then you can move around and see where it is based in different countries. And then you can click on your country. So I'm in the US, and it just lines you right up with it. So if I click Italy, it brings me over here. And then you can see on this graph here, and then it shows recovered, etc. So in Italy, 724 have recovered as of right now. And this updates all the time. So Home Assistant is grabbing data from these guys and then integrating it into basically the front end dashboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So go to configuration, and then we're going to go to integrations. And then that's what I have integrated. Yours will definitely look different. We'll go to plus, and then I can see it right here. And then it says pick a country. So I will pick the US. And finish. So there's that. I mean, it couldn't be easier, actually. I'll go to overview, and then I'll configure the UI, and I'm going to say tracking as my title. And then I'll do an icon later. I'll hit save. I'll go to tracking. I'll go to plus. And then what do I want? Let's see. Oops. We are going to track. Let's see. Where is it in here? Confirmed, current, deaths is sad, recovered. I guess we'll see it all. So we'll go with confirmed. And then we'll add current. And we'll go down here. Make this easier. Deaths. And then we'll type recovered. So I can say this is my coronavirus tracker. So you can just see it there, right there, really quick. I'll hit save, and now it's in my kind of tracking panel here. Additionally, I can probably add, let's see. I don't know if sensor will work. Let's see, let's try it. Oh yeah, it totally will. Confirmed. And I wonder if this will do the new beautiful line graph. So I'll have to update this later and see if this changes, and hit save. I love this new line graph. It's been added really recently. I'd like to say the past week. So that's it for that. Now I can see this quickly on my phone. I don't have to load this humongous map. And I just want to say thanks to the guys at Home Assistant for adding this, so you can track it very quickly. You're already in Home Assistant all day like me, so now you can get in, see what's going on, see if it goes up or down in that graph, and then hopefully nobody that watches this gets it and you stay healthy. Remember to wash your hands, and also click that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it. Give it a thumbs up if this was helpful. And I'd love to hear if you've integrated this into Home Assistant and how you're using it. Thank you so much for watching.